Alright, so what you want to do is take a grinder and a wire brush attachment and get all your rust and then spray it with degreaser or soap and water and clean it real good. Let this dry fully for about 20 minutes. I'm going to try and get 8 ounces in there and then 4 ounces of
acetone.
It smells horrible. Honestly, might be able to get some more paint in there. Just a little bit. There we go. That's nice and thin paint anyways. This will give me about 2 or 3 cups. Alright, now I'm going to pour it in the gun. You see? Don't do a whole lot.